Welcome to MathZip. Formation and solution to simultaneous equations of real life problems. Question 1. Given that x plus y equals to 5, x minus y equals to 3, which one of the following will be a value of xy? Look, x plus y equals to 5, x minus y equals to 3. Equation 1 and equation 2. Once we make addition, that time plus y and minus y out, here is 2x equals to 5 plus 3 is 8. Now we can divide both sides by 2, so x equals to 4. Okay, so normal thing, here is only 1 4 in x, another one is 1 2 3. So it's a common sense answer will be 4 and 1. So let's check. Here is x plus y equals to 5. This is equation 1. Now we put x equals to 4 in equation 1. So 4 plus y equals to 5. So y equals to what? 5 minus 4, it means 1. So our answer is what? Answer is number A, which is 4 1. Number 2, which one of the following does not denote the equation for the straight line? So 2a 3x minus 3y equals to 0, it means 3x equals to 3y. So once we divide both sides by 3, x equals to 3y, right? So this is what? Linear equation. Linear equation, and it's a represent straight line. Okay, so this is number A, which is straight line. Number B also a straight line, number D also a straight line, but number C, look, number C we can write it's not linear equation. Okay, why? It represent a hyperbola which is curve. So once we discuss more deeply, that time you will understand, but just note that x equals to 1 by y, it's a reciprocal, so it's a fraction in here, so this is denoted curved line. Okay, it's like this. So number 1 and 2 done. Number 3, here is what would be the value of x in the system of equation x minus 2y equals to 8 and 3x minus 2y equals to 4. So let's try this one. So here is what mentioned, what would be the value of x in the system of equations. So here is x minus 2y equals to 8, another one is 3x minus 2y equals to 4. So equation 1 and equation 2, and what would be the value of x, right? So once we make subtraction from equation to equation 1 to equation 2, so this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. So minus 2y plus 2y out, so here is minus 2x equals to 8 minus 4 is a 4. So we can say x equals to what? X equals to minus 2. So where is minus 2? This is minus 2, number B. Okay, so done. Number 4, how many variables are there in the equation 4x plus 5y equals to 9? So there are two variables, one is x and another is y. So our answer is number C, which is 2. Okay, so very simple. Number 4 done. Question 5, which one is the coordinate of the main point? So main point is very simple, 0 0, right? It's a starting point. Number 6, in which quadrant the point -3 and -5? So minus and minus, actually this one, look, this is here x axis and here is y axis, right? So first quadrant plus plus, it means both x and y plus. Second one, here x minus and y plus. Third one, both minus. Fourth one, here x plus and y minus. Therefore -3 and -5 should be in third quadrant. Okay, this is third. Number 7 and today's last question answer, the points on the graph of the equation which is x plus 2y, x plus 2y equals to 30. So which one is correct? Which one of the following is correct? Here x 10 and y 10. So first one, left hand side. So x 10 plus 2 times y means 10. So 10 plus 2 times 10 is a 20. So this is 10 plus 20 is a 30. So this is okay. Number 1 okay. Number 2, left hand side. Similar, x here is 0. So this is 10 and 10 and this is 0 and 15. So x it means 0 plus 2 times y means 15. So 0 0, so 2 times 15 is a 30. So this is also okay. Now 3, which is 10 and 20. So x equals to what? X left hand side, x equals to 10 plus 2 times y equals to here 20. So it become 10 plus 40 equals to 50. Look, it's not equal right hand side. Okay, because here mentioned x equals to 30. So which is the correct answer? 1 and 2 right answer. Therefore number what? A, 1 and 2. So no more today. This is the episode 1 of new videos, or we can continue. This is simultaneous equations, because last video we try to solve simultaneous equation, solve the following by using the method of substitution, and here is our real life problem. Okay, so I hope you cleared this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comments box and share with your friends, and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.